All right, what's happening, people? This is Mr. Dave out here in Vista, California. We're working on that big giant project that you've seen a couple pictures of and videos of. What we did is we shotcreted this whole thing, and now we're putting a texture coat on with a hopper, the same thing they use to blow on texture on drywall in a house and stuff. So come on over here. We did this yesterday. We did this section here. This is the old texture and the new texture, and we're trying to blend the two together. All right. So come over here now. What we're going to do is add some of the mixture that we made. It's 1-to-1 ratio of Portland to sand, and you want to get a silica sand that's really, really fine, 30 grit, consistent. Come on over this way. And so we're going to be blowing this stuff on this rock over here, which you've already done. Just want to show you guys how it works. It's pretty simple. You just blow the stuff on. So we'll get her going. You got a compressor over there, one of those Husky portable compressors you can use for a construction site or whatever. And people use it for nail guns and that sort of thing. Got your hose hooked up to a hopper, and I have full force, full power blowing this stuff on. So here we go. Come on in here, check it out. So the material's blown on, it fills in all the little cracks and stuff and creates more of a uniformity to it. It already has kind of a rocky texture to it. Once this goes off a little bit, we're going to trowel in some cracks and finish it up. And so that's kind of the way it works. You blow the stuff on, you then trowel in your scratches and your texture, and it starts looking like a rock. So we like rocking out here in Vista, so we're going to keep moving on this. We're going to do the entire feature this way. You can use this system to blow a small little satellite rock if you're doing just one, or some kind of sculpture or something, or this ginormous remodel we got going on here. So, pretty crazy. So, anyway, come back here, cameraman. Mason's very distracted easily. He's got like the little ADD thing. Bunny trails. I got to come back. Hey, come here. Here, boy. Here, come here. So anyways, Mr. Mason on the camera, Mr. Dave out here in Vista. Oh, he has to. He's got to put himself on it. And we're having a good time. So if you want to make some rocks, this is one of the things we do. We blow on the texture coat. All right? So Mr. Dave here, we'll see you next time. Be thankful, be forgiving, and recognize the blessings you have in this great country. Amen. God bless America. See you next time.